Mix egg with Vaseline and you'll be surprised. Have you ever imagined mixing an egg with Vaseline? Just wait until you see what happens next. I know it sounds unusual, but this simple combination might just become one of your favorite home tricks. To begin, we'll need 2 clean jars. Yes, 2. You'll see why shortly. First, take 1 jar and carefully crack an egg into it. Then, grab an empty plastic bottle and use it to separate the yolk from the white. This method is easy, clean, and avoids any mess. Once the yolk is separated, pour it into the first jar. But don't throw out the egg white. We'll still use a bit of it. Now take a tablespoon of the egg white and add it to the jar with the yolk. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Now it's time for our star ingredient, Vaseline. Scoop out 1 full tablespoon and add it directly to the egg mixture. This is where things start to get interesting. Slice a lime in half. You can use lime, lemon, or orange. What we need is the acidity ingredient here. And squeeze exactly 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice into the jar. Be careful not to add too much. This specific amount helps balance the entire mixture without overwhelming the other ingredients. Stir it thoroughly. You'll notice the Vaseline starting to break down and mix in, forming a silky paste. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Mix patiently. This step is key. The lime's acidity will slowly dissolve the Vaseline while the egg yolk and white bind everything together. After a few minutes, you'll be left with a glossy, yellowish cream. And yes, I know what you're thinking. What on earth is this used for? Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. To apply, simply take a small amount with clean fingers and gently massage it into your skin. Whether it's your hands, your feet, elbows, or even your face. This mixture goes on smooth and absorbs quickly. After applying, wrap the area with plastic wrap to lock in the warmth and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the time's up, remove the wrap and wipe away the mixture with a soft, damp towel. And here's the reveal. Your skin will feel instantly softer, visibly brighter, and deeply hydrated. It's almost like a natural lifting effect without needing to spend a cent on expensive treatments. If you've been struggling with dryness, dullness, or rough patches, this could be the solution you never knew you needed. It's gentle, powerful, and backed by tradition. Do you have a similar hack at home? Share it in the comments. Try it out and tell me what you think. Drop your results in the comments, like the video, and share this secret with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.